DJI has been a dominant force in the world of handheld cameras, and with the Osmo Pocket lineup, they have consistently delivered groundbreaking innovation. The Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated releases in the compact camera segment, bringing a host of upgrades and refinements that content creators, vloggers, and everyday users will love. With leaks surfacing and new details emerging, let's dive into what the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has in store. A fresh design with enhanced build quality. From what we've seen in early leaks, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to receive a slight redesign, making it even more ergonomic and user-friendly. DJI appears to be working on a more robust, premium feel body with improved grip materials, ensuring better handling during extended shoots. One of the rumored changes is a slightly larger screen, which would make framing shots and navigating menus much easier than before. Sensor and camera upgrades. The Osmo Pocket 3 set the bar high with its 1-inch sensor, but the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to push the boundaries even further. Sources suggest that DJI might integrate an upgraded 1.2-inch or even a full 1-inch stack sensor, allowing for improved low-light performance, better dynamic range, and crisper image quality. Some other expected camera upgrades include higher megapixel count. Rumors hint at a 48MP or even a 64MP sensor, allowing for greater detail and high-resolution stills. Wider aperture. A faster lens, potentially f/1.8 or lower, could improve low-light shots and bokeh effects for a more cinematic feel. Improved HDR video. DJI might enhance HDR recording capabilities to compete with other leading compact cameras. Video capabilities, 4K 120fps and beyond. One of the most exciting possibilities is an upgrade to the video recording features. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to offer 4K at 120fps. This would be a game changer for slow motion enthusiasts, providing ultra-smooth footage while maintaining high resolution. 8K recording? While less likely, some leaks hint at 8K recording options, though this would likely be limited to shorter clips. Cinematic LUTs and log profiles. Enhanced color grading support with new DJI-developed LUTs could offer greater post-production flexibility. AI-assisted video stabilization. While DJI's Gimbal is already a top performer, an AI-enhanced stabilization mode could take smoothness to the next level. Enhanced gimbal performance. DJI's 3-axis gimbal has always been a standout feature in the Osmo Pocket series. However, with the Osmo Pocket 4, we might see refinements like faster response time, reducing lag and improving precision, better object tracking, improved subject tracking, even in complex environments. Active Track 6.0. A smarter tracking system that can recognize multiple subjects and dynamically switch focus between them. Advanced AI and smart features. DJI has been pushing AI-driven features across its product range, and the Osmo Pocket 4 could be no different. Some rumored AI-powered enhancements include auto-framing. The camera could intelligently adjust framing in real time to keep subjects in focus, great for solo content creators. Gesture controls 2.0, more refined gesture-based commands for starting/stopping recording, zooming, and switching modes. Voice commands, the possibility of voice control to make hands-free operation even easier. Improved battery life and USB-C charging. Battery life has always been a concern with compact cameras, but DJI might address this by incorporating larger battery capacity, potentially extending usage time by 20 to 30% over the Osmo Pocket 3. USB-C fast charging, allowing for quick top-ups, getting you back in action faster. Removable battery? While unlikely, this would be a major plus for professionals who need extended recording sessions. Expanded connectivity and live streaming features. With more content creators relying on real-time engagement, the Osmo Pocket 4 might introduce native live streaming support. Stream directly to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram with improved stability. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, faster, more reliable connectivity for file transfers, and remote control via smartphones. DJI Mic 2.0 integration, a more seamless audio solution for high-quality voice capture. Expected release date and pricing. Based on DJI's past release cycles, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch sometime in late 2024 or early 2025. Pricing will likely be in the range of $499 to $599, depending on the features and configurations offered. If DJI includes significant sensor and processing upgrades, we could see a slightly higher price tag, but it will still remain competitive within the compact camera market. Final thoughts. Is the Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? DJI seems to be pulling out all the stops with the Osmo Pocket 4, focusing on better image quality, enhanced AI capabilities, improved battery life, and upgraded gimbal performance. If even half of these rumored features come to fruition, this could be the most powerful pocket-sized camera to date. For vloggers, travel filmmakers, and content creators who need a compact yet professional camera, the Osmo Pocket 4 might be the ultimate tool. The key decision will come down to whether the upgrades justify an upgrade from the Osmo Pocket 3. But for those looking to buy their first high-quality pocket camera, this might just be the best one yet. Stay tuned to Technology Review for the latest updates, hands-on reviews, and comparisons when the Osmo Pocket 4 officially drops.